Hey guys, this is you there. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and today we'll be checking out a product from Plextone. It's called the Plextone G23 gaming headphones. They come with a gimmick where you can actually swap out one component and it makes the sound different for like a certain game or for like gunshots. I think it's a pretty interesting gimmick that we'll take a look at today. But first of all, a quick thanks to Plextone for sending this over for a quick review and unboxing. Let's get into it. So this is the Plextone G23 dual variable sound cell for replace. It's quite interesting. In front of the box we can see that it actually has replaceable drivers or some kind of sound cell to replace, so it has two modes for gunfire and hunter and one for Mobile Legends. Seems pretty interesting to me. I'm not sure how different it will sound, but we'll do a sound test later. On top here we have the logo. It says here 3.7 grams of weight, so it's very light. Again, a few features on the side. Rest in peace bullet design, 3.5 L shape plug, microphone with HD voice, anti-noise. Then on the back we have some more specifications and how the drivers or how the earphones actually look. Then on this side it just says the name again, and then you have the QR codes to scan if you want to scan them. I'm quite excited. Let's try open it up. So I have my pen knife here. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's put this aside. Now we can see it looks pretty interesting. It's actually a matte finish. Okay, let's open it up. I think from the top. Okay, then it just slides out. Nice. So the box is empty and it's displayed quite nicely. Nice. Oh, we have quite a lot of things to check out. Let's see. So in this one we get in this case here we get the earphones themselves. They're actually in black. I expected them to kind of look green, but they're actually in black. Then you have two drivers at the bottom here that you can switch out. Let's check out other things in the case, in the box. We have these ear tips. You can change if you have different size ear tips or different size ear holes, and you actually get a clip that can clip your mic to the shirt. And then you get this splitter for your computer or laptop. Basically one 3.5mm male goes in here, and one is for microphone, one is for earphone. Really nice. Put that aside. Then we get the G23 Plextone headset guide. Oh, this is quite big. Let's just open it up, let you guys see. Do we have the English one? Okay, English one is right here. So you can pause it if you want to read through it. It basically says this is what's included. Then you can switch it out, stuff like that, and then the controls for the mic. Okay. Then of course you get a voucher warranty card, so you gotta sign up at their website. And that is it. Let's check. Let's open this up now. Okay, so here are the earphones. Oh, okay. So the earphones actually have blue colored inner tips right here, and it connects again to this L shape right here. Pretty nice. And you have of course the mic and the volume controls. Then you have these two interesting pieces where you can actually swap them out. Let me zoom in and let you guys see how that works. Okay, so one thing I noticed, these two are actually magnetic, so it's easier to keep around your neck and stuff like that. Pretty interesting, pretty nice. And then of course we have the cable that is quite long, and I think it's quite good right here. It's a flat kind of cable, so it won't get tangled up easily. Let's check out how you change the drivers. Okay, so let's take a look at the manual to see how to change the drivers. Over here it doesn't really give much. It just says that you can open it up. So by turning it counterclockwise, and then you take the black one out and put the green one in. Green one is for Mobile Legends and the black one is for enhanced gunfire. Oh, okay, so you just turn the ear tips. Okay, so they are actually connected to the ear tips right here. As you can see, I'm removing them. So you just twist it and it comes out like that. So this is the black one, and you can replace it with the green one. Let me just try that. So you plug it out. There's then you want to put in the green one. I guess you can also screw it into here first. Yep, you can screw it into the earphone itself first before you screw it into the what do you call this again? Ear tip. Right, so that's one in. Let's put the other side. There's the other one in. And just pop this one out. And then try to connect it back. Okay, this is one side. Wait, it's harder than it looks. Okay, this is one side. And this is the other side. So pretty interesting in my opinion. They fit pretty well, and especially this magnetic thing makes it feels nice. Let's test it out in the laptop and see how it performs in games. Test 1, I'm connecting the microphone. This is actually my microphone connected to the camera. Now I'm going to switch this microphone out for the headset. Okay, so now I have the earphones, the Plextone G23 connected to the camera. I'm speaking about 1 inch away from the microphone, and this is how it sounds. I think that it sounds quite okay, but it's not the best compared to the microphone, of course. But for gaming, I think it sounds quite good. So yeah, that was it, guys. That was a quick look and a quick review and a quick mic test on this Plextone G23. A few things I like about it. The design is very nice. The L bracket for the 3.5mm saves a lot of space, and especially the magnetic thing behind it that actually connects it together so it won't just fall off your neck. I think for the price, that's 35 ringgit to 40 ringgit depending on if it's on sale or not. The sound quality is decent. The mic quality is quite okay. Again, you are spending around 30 to 40 ringgit on this. I think it's really good for the price. A few things I like are those, and the things that I don't like is the gaming doesn't really work. There's not much of a sound difference, but again, it's 30 ringgit and you don't have any place to store them if you're using the other ones. They don't give you like a pouch or anything. Another thing that I like is they actually give you a lot of accessories like the splitter, and the cable is pretty nice too. The flat cable doesn't get tangled up, and people would really enjoy this. So again, a huge thanks to Plextone for sending this over. If you're interested, you can find it in the links down in the description below. I believe they're going around for 35 ringgit right now. And yeah, that was it for this video, guys. If you like this video, you can leave a like. If you dislike this video, you can dislike it. If you haven't subscribed, get subscribed. I'm doing a lot of tech stuff recently. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.